Hello guys, and welcome to another PowerPoint tutorial. Today you will learn how to make your own color palette in PowerPoint. So I made these circles so I can show you how you can implement your own color palette. This is the color palette that is already in PowerPoint. So I will show you how you can change it with your own color palette. First, you have to open PowerPoint, of course. Go on the View tab, click on it, go to the Slide Master, click on the Slide Master, and go to this tab that's called Colors. Click on it. Click on the button on the Custom Colors. Click on it. It will open the color palette that is already implemented because I made these 6 circles so you can see the change that we are going to make. Here you can change the text, the background color, your 6 accent colors, the hyperlink, and that's it. You can name your own color palette with the name you want. We will type, for example, test colors. And now I'm going to show you some cool website where you can implement the color palettes. Here we is. It calls My Color Space. It's a cool website where you can have the hex code you need. I will show you in a minute what I mean. Here is the colors that we are going to use today. This is some cool bright colors. I like it. So we will do it. Go to the PowerPoint. Click on the first box that says Accent 1. Click on it. It will pop up the small screen that has the RGB code where you can type it here, or the hex code that we are going to type here and change the colors so you can see the change. Go to the site, copy the first code, copy, and paste. It will change automatically. Now we are going to the another one. Copy, back to the PowerPoint and paste. And we are going to do it for the all 6 colors. It's easy job, but you do it once and you are good to go. So don't worry. You don't need it to do it another time. That's why we called our color palette the test colors, so we don't have to make it all over again. Just 2 more. So you can easily change it with the colors you want. You don't have to go to this website, or you choose your own color palette or the colors of your company, anything you want. So the last one, copy and paste. It will apply. Close this window, click Save, close the master, and it will automatically apply to the presentation. It looks very nice. I like it. So that's it, guys.